What's up? Guess what? Something a little bit fucking crazy happened, and you guys like the videos. It's really great to get such a brilliant response and so many questions, and that motivated me to create a new video to help everyone who's just out there beginning trading. And that is just kind of 5 key tips. Five, not so much tips, but 5 fucking essential fucking lessons that you guys should really know, because as you guys know, I had my first profitable month in July, and that was awesome. And because I had that profitable month, I got this. If you guys follow the videos, you know that I have a monthly incentive rewards program where I reward myself. Success. These are 5 essential things that I learned. I mean, I'm not perfect. I lost this month, but I learned a hell of a lot, a phenomenal amount, and now I'm starting to become profitable again. September will, I believe, be profitable, and I think every month after that will be profitable. I really feel like I've actually cracked it. It took 4 months of like studying like 2-3 hours every day. And anyway, if you want to be successful, surround yourself with successful people, and it's totally true. And you can go with Tim Sykes. I went with Tim Sykes for the initial 3 months, and the guy, I mean, is he a scam? Not really. I would say not at all. I would say that he provides an educational service. That service is really good. He has a lot of videos which come out kind of every week, and he's got a backlog of 4,500 videos. And to pay $160 or whatever a month to be educated with so much material is worth it. And I would really recommend that you sign up immediately, and definitely don't even trade one single stock until you're aware and you've been told what to do. And he also provides like watch lists, there's a chat room. All of these things are really beneficial. The other is Investors Underground. They've got a few different DVDs, Textbook Trader, Tandem Trader. Tim Grittani's got a DVD. Tim Sykes has got a million DVDs, including How to Make Millions. And these are all really worth watching, and watching not just once, but like 10 times. Analyze yourself to fucking death. Analyze every single trade, like to death. You need to like document trades on profit.ly, write kind of a 2-paragraph description on every single one. Like, I literally look back at all my previous videos, I video document every single trade, and I analyze every single trade. And then every kind of morning after the stock market, I get up and I analyze every single stock that's risen more than 10% on the day. And I analyze its 6-month pattern, 3-month pattern, 2-month pattern, 10-day pattern, 5-day pattern, and 2-day pattern, and 1-day pattern. And I track a huge Excel, which you can see here. And by analyzing every single stock, every single trade, you start identifying patterns. And although the previous lesson, it's got to have a mentor and pick up the fundamentals. Once you've got the fundamentals, you need to just be like so aware of the stock market. And the only way to be better than everybody else and to be profitable, like 95% of traders lose, the only way that you can be better than the 95% and being that 5% is by being more aware of what's going on in the market, being more aware of patterns, being more aware of trends that are happening right fucking now. If you're buying a stock that's really up on the day, like, you're late to the game. Like, everybody's already in, and if you're late to the game, it's a terrible trade, because to be a good trader, you need to be doing what the other 95% of traders are not doing, which means you need to be in it before. And if everyone's already in it and the stock's risen really high, that means that everybody's in. If you're going to be in it too, you're fucking definitely going to lose money. And no matter how good it looks and how high it's going to go, I'm telling you, it's going to fucking crash 5 minutes later. Just think, if you get tempted to chase, just think, I'm just going to watch this 1 more hour. And honestly, you might be like, fuck you, Steven Johnson. I could have made money and I didn't take the trade, and now it's gone up really high. And this might happen sometimes, but I am telling you, in the long term, long game, you're going to lose a ton of money chasing. Do not chase. The best thing to do, I mean, this last month, in July, the reason I made money, the reason I was profitable of it, like $180 or something, and I'm trading with a very small account, is because I stuck to 1 or 2 patterns. I was just buying for my runners that was spiking. That was it. That's all I did. And if that didn't come up, I didn't trade. And that way I made money. And then I was actually up about 400 or 500. And then I started being a bit more open, exploring new patterns, which is cool because I knew I was going to take a loss through this learning, but it was an education, and I'm glad I did it, which is kind of ironic, but it's just the truth. And the truth is fucking amazing. Lesson 4 is it's about making connections. It's about making connections and making friends, making new friends, making trading friends. And I feel that by making new friends, you can discuss trading, you can see what works for him or her, and you can find out what works for you, and you can kind of get other perspectives on trades. And for example, I've made a lot of friends through these YouTube videos. It's one of the best parts about it. And some people who are much more experienced, you can say, what do you think about this trade? And they'll be like, looks a bit top heavy, looks a bit on the heavy side, I wouldn't trade it. And I'm like, yeah, maybe. I see it from that perspective now. Thanks, buddy. This is the last kind of lesson. And if you haven't listened, if you've not watched this video till the end, then just go and check into Trader Rehab, because you're going to make a lot of losses. Like, if you don't apply these lessons, just go to Traders Anonymous. And then when you get out of Traders Anonymous, just go to Las Vegas and go to a casino and put the rest of your money on roulette and jump off a bridge, because like, you're just not gonna make money unless you kind of follow these things. Maybe I'm being too basic, but it's just the truth. But the 5th lesson, like, it's I kind of forgot it. What was it? It's so important as well. Yeah, it's if you're ever in doubt, just get out of a trade. If you're in doubt about a trade, just get out of it, and cut your losses really quickly. Like, even if you follow all of the rules and you analyze the patterns, if the pattern on the level 2, if it looks like there's a lot of sellers, it's probably gonna go down. Just don't hope, never hope, just fucking sell. Cut your losses quickly. If you're ever in doubt in a trade, get out. Because it's not just the money, it's more, it fucking destroys your confidence to take a big loss. It destroys it. It destroys you, and it eats away at you. And it doesn't just eat away for like 5-10 minutes or a day. It can last a fucking week. It can eat away for a week. It could mean that you stop trading altogether. So do not let that happen to you. Cut losses quickly. If in doubt, get motherfucking out. Whew, that was a tough one. I hope you're still staying with us. There's the 5 lessons. If you've got any other questions, it's like, I'm not like a pretend thing just in your screen. Like, I'm a real person. This isn't like YouTube Steve. Like, I'm real. I'm a real person, and I'm filming this video and off me fucking ironing board. The laptop's on the ironing board. I'm real, and this is just a red chair. Just like yeah, I'll give you my details. Like, this is the email and Twitter and Snapchat. I Snapchat live trades all of the time, and I'm very, very on it. So please follow me on Snapchat. Please, if you know anyone else who wants to watch the videos, share them. But until then, peace out. Thanks a lot. Good luck trading. Don't end up in Traders Anonymous. Don't end up in Traders Anonymous. It's not good. Be a winner. Tell us how you're doing. I'm here to win. I'll see you later.